The worst-case scenario just happened. A crime has occurred inside your facility. There are no police on the way, no sirens, no backup. It's just you, the facility manager and the security officer, standing between chaos and control. What do? Every decision you make right now could mean the difference between securing evidence or losing it forever, between containing the threat or letting it spread. This is your guide to handling a crime scene when you're the only ones responsible. You don't have law enforcement to secure the area. That means you must take control. Lock down. If the suspect is still inside alone, you need to isolate them. If they've escaped, prevent re-entry. Seal off the crime scene. Lock doors, position barriers, and use surveillance to monitor access points. Alert the right people. Who needs to know? Senior management, building owners. Call them as soon as possible. Before you can manage the crime scene, you need to know what you're dealing with. Was it theft? Vandalism? Assault? Something worse? Each scenario demands a different response. If the suspect is still on site, avoid direct confrontation unless you're trained. Monitor, track, and report. If the suspect has fled, gather descriptions, security footage, and any evidence they left behind. Without police on the way, it's up to you to preserve the evidence. If you fail, the crime may never be solved. Do not clean. Bloodstains, broken locks, footprints. Leave everything exactly as it is. Mark boundaries. Tape off the area, lock doors, and restrict access. Document everything. Take photos. Write down timestamps. Log every movement near the scene. Every detail matters. It is common with any type of incident that rumors will spread fast. You must control the message. Inform staff with clarity, but without panic. Stick to facts. There has been an incident. The area is secured. We will provide updates as available. Report up the chain of command. Senior management, legal teams, corporate security. Who needs to know? Make those calls now. No police? No forensic team? That means you're the investigator, for now. Save all security footage. Don't let your system overwrite it. Preserve logs. Who was in the building? Badge access, security reports, timestamps. Log it all. Photograph everything. Damage, items out of place, suspicious markings. Capture it before it's lost. Without immediate police involvement, your next steps are critical. Decide who investigates next. Will corporate security take over? Is legal counsel involved? Will external investigators be called? Secure access to the scene. If outside investigators are coming later, make sure nothing changes before they arrive. Debrief your team. What went well? What needs improvement? How do you prevent this in the future? This isn't a one-time event. Incidents will happen again. The only question is, will you be ready? Train your team. Drills. Exercises. Make crisis response second nature. Upgrade your systems. Cameras. Access controls. Prevent the next crime before it happens. Stay ahead. Policies change. Threats evolve. Keep learning. No sirens, no flashing lights, no backup. When a crime happens at your facility, you may be the only person standing between order and chaos. Will you be ready? Don't forget to like our video and visit our website, wardyfm.com.